Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Back out here at Squirrel Park, y'all. Got a little guy right there checking us out. But I'm out here to fly. It's Saturday, y'all. I was out here for FPV Friday, but unfortunately technical difficulties prevented me from putting that video out. I was out here flying something and my memory card, the SD card, actually filled up on me, and with this Transporter 2 goggle monitor, unfortunately when it runs out of space, the video that it was using, or the video that it was actually producing, becomes corrupt. So it becomes corrupted and you lose the video. So I lost the onboard, well not onboard, but I lost the video feed from the drone, and rendering the whole video useless. So sorry, no FPV Friday, but we're gonna do some FPV on Saturday to make up for that with the same drone. You guys don't know what drone it is because the video didn't come out, but this is it right here. It's a little 1S build. This board that I used is an all-in-one board from back in the day called the Fusion X3, and their idea of all-in-one back then was just ESC and flight controller. And this was one of the first of its kind. I'm not sure if it's the first of its kind for a 1S board, but it was kind of revolutionary and whatnot. Lightened up the build a whole lot so you can do 1S flyers or whatnot. Camera coming off right here. And as you can see, I got an all-in-one camera VTX right there mounted in the front with command tape patches stacked up. And it actually did pretty well, y'all. It did pretty good. I was flying it yesterday, was very impressed with this thing, how it flew. It's really quiet and all. The FPV feed was really clear and everything. Good range, although I think that this VTX is only a 25 milliwatt VTX, but it did do really well. Surprised me, exceeded my expectations, and so I'm really fond of this thing. And I ended up dropping it out there because there's no buzzer. I was looking for this thing. It's like a needle in a haystack. Trying to find this thing is like finding a needle in a haystack. All these leaves from the fall all out here in the grass, and alhamdulillah I found it with a little prayer. But this thing is a 1S flyer. I have some 1103 10,000 kV Racer Star motors on here, and I was kind of on the fence on if I was going to keep this or not, because when I was flying my Armor 67, I crashed it, and not only did it destroy the prop, it actually killed the motor. And these are the same kV and style motor, 10,000 kV and all. And so I was going to use one of these motors on that build to fix that one. Well, that's not a build, but you know, that Frankenstein build. I was going to use one of these motors to fix that. But now I'm really thinking I might keep this one and dismantle the Armor 67 and use its parts for something else. Or maybe I might have another Racer Star 10,000 kV 1103 motor laying around somewhere that I can swap out that broken one. But anyhow, let's get this thing up in the air. We're losing light. Hopefully this camera right here can handle it, this low light here and change of lighting. When the sun's setting, it's really hard for these little CMOS cameras to produce a good quality picture. It usually gets dark on you. But let's get this guy in the air. Okay, I do have a tiny receiver on this thing, a D8 receiver, tiny FR Sky D8 receiver on here, so probably not the best range, but it was doing pretty well when I was flying it. out here, so I got my daughter out here too. She's over here sitting on the ground. Oh, I forgot to hook up the OSD on this thing. So my OSD, it does have OSD, but the OSD, I didn't set it up in beta flight. Check out how quiet this thing is, y'all. Really quiet. Nice punch and all. Really liking this thing. Okay, last time we didn't get to do any FPV, so let's do some FPV while we can. Oh man, it's getting dark on me. They're getting a little staticky on me. Squirrels dropping stuff out the trees, I think. Flying. Oh no. Uh-oh. And I went down. Thanks. How you feeling now? Appreciate it. Yeah, it's a little drone I built.
That's cool.
Oh, the rubber band came off it. I had a rubber band on there holding that little battery on there. Yeah.
How was it? Was zooming around?
Yeah, I zoomed it around a little bit. I was recording it.
Camera on it, so you can steer it. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess I gotta find that rubber band or I'm done. Yeah. Yeah, this gonna be like finding a needle in a haystack.
It was right here. So it might have fallen off.
Yeah, it might have fallen off anywhere. Yep.
Yeah, good luck.
Be the wind.
Yeah.
All right, thanks. I appreciate y'all. You too now. Have a good one. So I guess that's gonna be it. This little guy. Finding the rubber band out here is gonna be even more tougher than finding this thing out here. I'm thankful that I found this little guy. Unplug it. But this thing is an awesome flyer, really quiet and all. Loving the way it flies. So I guess you'll see another flight of this. I just gotta drop another rubber band on here to hold the batteries. I think that's the only option. I think I can't really use a strap because of these two notches here. Maybe I can cut these notches off and run a strap in between there and use a strap. Quick FPV flight of this little 1S build on Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. Hope you're enjoying your weekend. Thanks for watching. Guess what, y'all? I found that rubber band. So I'm gonna try to get this thing up in the air again. I also bought some extra batteries with me, so I have another battery. Check out how quiet this thing is. There's a bat flying around out here. I love doing power loops, y'all. Let me do some FPV with it. Sheesh, it gets dark, man. Once I turn upside down, it's the lighting out here. Sheesh. Feel like something's crawling on my neck, y'all. Going around in circles. Oh no, branches. Let's go up under these trees here. Yeah, not the best camera for this type of lighting. Getting a lot of breakup too with them trees over there. Yeah, I'm scared, y'all. I think I'm gonna stop flying it. I think I'm gonna stop flying the FPV because I'm scared I might lose this thing. Hey, what am I doing? Let me get back over here. Yeah, it's getting pretty dark out here. And I got my daughter out here. I gotta keep an eye on her. Hopefully y'all can see this. I didn't think about that. This thing is so tiny. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me bring it in closer. Well, let's bring it in. I don't know where the battery is on it. If the battery is dying or not. Check out how quiet this thing is, y'all. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. Happy Saturday. Thanks for watching, y'all.